Okay, so now we will be opening our software, Harmony, for the first time. So if you will be doing this for the first time, this is what you will encounter. So let's open it. There. So Harmony will ask you first. Yeah. So these are my recent files that I have been working on. Okay. But Harmony is going to ask you, if you are opening it directly or even for the first time, it will ask you these following questions. What's the name of your scene? And this is the part that is more important, the location. Yeah, here. So first is from this starting point of creating the file, Harmony is asking you already to organize it. Yeah. Before we go down to the other settings involved here, we will have to deal with this first. So the second option here, or this second window or slot here, is asking you where is this going to be saved or auto-saved later on. Okay, so which folder. Okay, so now what we will do is we will close this first. Okay, and then I will ask you to create already. Ayan. So this means before you open your Harmony or run your software Harmony, you create your folder already. Okay, so I'll create, right click, I'll create a new folder, and let's say I will name it our subject, digital drawing and animation. That's it. Okay, so here is my project folder. I have placed it on the desktop just for the purpose of demonstration, and you can, so that you can easily see it. Pero if you prefer to place it in your documents folder, that would be also advisable. So here, what do I place? Okay, so it's an option. It's optional, I mean. Inside this new folder that we have created, you can already place the references that you will use, meaning the assets that you will need. For example, if I have this assets folder here, I can select all of them and I can just directly copy them. And I can paste it inside this subject folder or my class folder that I have created, the digital drawing and animation folder. So this means in the future, these files that I will need are already available here in my digital drawing class folder. So I can close that. Now, when I run my Harmony, so let's run it, Harmony. And it asked me, let's say, I will name this scene, for example, let's name it Session 01. That's for today. Okay. And then I will browse here. And then I will go to my desktop. And then I will choose this. This is going to be where my new file or scene file is going to be saved. I'll select that. So now it is foldered there. Then I will click this, create scene. So now there. So this is a blank file. So this is the new file. Now let us just minimize it for a moment. And let us look into our subject folder. And we will find there. Yeah. Okay, so that means Harmony did not just create a file, temporary file, but it also created a subfolder for our scene. Okay? So that means, for example, if I will create a new harmony file, name it session 2, and place it in this folder, it will also create a separate folder for that. So that's how Harmony organizes your file initially. So now I will just go back to my Harmony file, and then I will just save it. File, save. So now it is saving. Now we are ready. Okay? So that's how important in managing your files. So we will go to the next lesson.